What's up, Nibblers? Welcome back to Nam's Eatery. It's time to make your own mayo, folks. This one is keto friendly too. Chances are you already have most of the ingredients. The store-bought variety of mayo is often filled with unhealthy oils and preservatives. Here, we'll be using avocado oil, which is my favorite. Avocado oil is on the healthier side, is neutral flavored, and has a high smoke point for a wide range of uses. This mayo can be used as a base for your sauces or as a spread. You want to start with a small drizzle of oil to build the emulsification. Once that's started, you can ramp up the oil input. And there you have it, easy avocado oil mayo that's healthier and keto friendly. Comment to let me know what you drizzle this on, and be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.